Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Do you want to seamlessly use your iPhone on your PC, play mobile games, or access iOS apps on your computer without the hassle of dealing with emulators? Then look no further. iMyFone MirrorTo is the perfect solution for you. iMyFone Mirror to make it easy to view and control your iPhone screen on the computer. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to run iOS apps on your PC using iMyFone MirrorTo. Let's get started. Part 1. First, mirror your iPhone screen on PC. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone MirrorTo on your computer. MirrorTo's official website, link and WinMac version, download link, is provided in the description of this video. Step 2. Make sure your iPhone and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi connection. Step 3. Launch MirrorTo. Choose iOS and Wi-Fi connection. Step 4. On your iPhone, go to Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring. Find your computer from the list to connect. Step 5. Now you can see your iPhone screen clearly on your computer. You can view your phone screen on the bigger screen. Part 2. Then connect Bluetooth to control your iPhone on PC. If you want to use MirrorTo's mouse control feature to access the iOS apps on your computer, you need to pair your iPhone's Bluetooth to your PC's. And if your PC or laptop don't have the built-in Bluetooth, you need a Bluetooth adapter 5.0 or higher for help. Step 1. Enable your PC's Bluetooth or plug in the Bluetooth adapter on PC. Step 2. Enable your iPhone's Bluetooth. Find your PC's name from the list to connect. Step 3. Now, you can effortlessly control your iPhone screen using your mouse. Open any mobile app on your computer and operate your phone seamlessly. Step 4. If you want to share your gaming experience in real time, MirrorTo can also live stream your games on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, and other live streaming platforms. Unlocking the world of iOS apps on your Windows PC has never been more straightforward. Check the description below for the iMyFone MirrorTo download link. If you found this video helpful, show your support with a thumbs up and don't miss out on more tech tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next video.